The whole point in these little fans, man, is that you just twist it in. There's no wiring. Not everybody knows how to mess with electrical. This is a lot safer just to twist it in there. And for my garage, I don't need no giant ceiling fan in here. I got two little ones, and they work great. Especially if you're out here a lot, like I come out here to work out, and we also come out here to watch the games. This keeps it nice and cool. Keeps the air flowing. Keeps you from burning up all the time. If you guys want to check these out, they do come in multiple colors. The controllers are universal, so if you got them in the same room, you only need one controller. But they are running a sale on them. Just click on the orange shopping cart, it'll take you right to it.